Hey guys, I hope you're all well. I'm back to do a styling review of the Revlon Realistic Black Seed Oil line, which came out earlier in the year. I bought the entire line from Revlon directly. I think I paid about £20 or £25 for everything. But this is just about the styling products that I use to style my hair. Whilst you're here, don't forget to subscribe because I know you'll get to the end of the video and you'll have forgotten to do it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram too, where I post more regularly. Same name as my YouTube name, it's Dionnesse. Oh, and make sure you watch right to the end so that you can see how my hair actually looked after a few hours of wearing this style out. It's very different to how it looked at first. Okay, let's jump straight into it. So I've started on stretched, freshly washed hair, and I stretch my hair using the banding method. I'm sectioning my hair just to make it a bit easier to get through it bit by bit, and I'm going to be doing a braid and curl. So the strengthening twisting pudding is lovely. I say it smells really, really sweet. It kind of reminds me of the Cantu coconut curling cream, really tropical, sweet. It has a consistency that's a little bit, it's not that thick. It's a bit gloopy. I don't know how to describe it, but it's a nice consistency. And I'm just smelling it again. It smells really, really good. If you don't like strong smells, you might not be into it, but I don't mind it at all. So I start off by braiding the root of my hair, and I applied a generous amount of the twisting pudding to the end, and then I use a perm rod. I use the grey and the white perm rods just to add a bit of curl to the end. I don't actually twist my hair right down to the end. I stop about halfway because I want the curl to be completely uniform. I don't want the twist to have any impact on like the uniformity of the curl. It goes into my hair really, really well. And the thing that I like about this line is that it has no mineral oil, no petroleum, no petrolatum, no sulfates, no parabens, and no colorants. It does have some chemicals in there that I'm not sure what they are, and it does contain cones, but you know, at least it doesn't have some of the more harmful ingredients in there that we are more familiar with. So I go ahead and just put that throughout my hair. I'm using like medium-sized sections. Because I'm starting on dry hair, I'm being extra gentle because I haven't added any spritz, anything like that, to try and make my hair more pliable. Now, I will say that the Revlon Realistic Black Seed Oil line does come with like a curl refresher, but guys, I sprayed my hair with it and it felt so plasticky. Like it definitely had silicone of some sort in there. I literally felt like I was spraying my hair in liquid plastic. So I shan't be using that on my hair because it just didn't give any slip, any moisture. It just felt literally like plastic. So I've finished twisting my hair and plaiting my hair, and now I'm just going to come back the next day and watch the glow up, guys. What? So I'm fully done up because I'm going out, and my hair is completely dry because I let it dry overnight. I have high porosity hair, as I've mentioned in a previous video, so it does take my hair a long time to dry. I untwist each section and I'm really pleased with the way the ends look. My hair is feeling super, super soft. It looks like it has a lot of hold, and the curls have come out really neat. My hair is completely dry. So at this point, I'm thinking this is going really well. My hair smells good. I know when I undo these braids that it's going to be popping. So I just get into that and untwist and then add some oil to my fingertips to just add some sheen and also help avoid the frizz. That oil is the Ayurvedic oil that I have already showed you how to make in a previous video, and I will link that above. I love that oil. I always use it. That's like my go-to oil. And I'm unbraiding and untwisting each section plait by plait. I'm trying to not create too much like separation because I decided that I wanted to try and maintain the curls for as long as possible. Sometimes when I want an immediately voluminous hairstyle, I will separate and fluff each of the sections once I've unbraided or untwisted it, but I wanted it to last, so I did do so. You can see that the roots of my hair are coming through. Yes, I have a lot of grey hair. I've discussed this very frequently, but I thought I would just mention that, and the orangey bits you see in my hair is just the henna. You might see, if you look really closely, that it looks like I've got bits in my hair. I do. I had washed my hair with some herbs, and I put aloe vera powder in there, which I'm really trying to get to grips with. But every time that I use it, it just does not wash out of my hair. And so it kind of flopped this hairstyle a little bit, because you could see all of the granules in there. But nonetheless, you had to get up real close to see it. So my curls still look really good. As you can see, my hair's really moisturized. I didn't film, well, I thought I had filmed washing my hair and conditioning my hair with the Revlon Realistic line, but I can't find it anywhere, so just let me know if you want me to show you that. But as you can see, my hair's looking really soft, really defined. I just pick out the roots. I'm so pleased that I did my hair on stretched hair, because you know when you first wash your hair, it's really tightly coiled, you lose some of the length, but because I'd stretched my hair beforehand, this is more like day 2 or day 3 hair after your hair starts to stretch, or like, you know, the second time that you style. So I'm really feeling it. I just continue to, you know, separate. I'm just fluffing in places very, very lightly, but I'm mainly picking out the roots and not the ends. I then go on to use the edge control. The edge control is super, super thick, you know, like to the point where you can't even get it out of the container. And then when I was like trying to smooth it into my hairline, it was really difficult to actually smooth it through my hair. It was just like stuck wherever I first put my fingers. And, you know, it looks really sleek, but it was so thick that it just felt like the texture that it left was very, very different to the rest of my hair. But I persevered nonetheless, because I was thinking to myself, if this holds, this will be amazing. I have an ongoing battle with edge control in that it looks really good, but after a few minutes it just starts to revert. So I carry on doing it. I do like the way it sleeks my hair, but like I say, it's very thick. It was even difficult to get it out of the container. But this is how my hair turned out. You can see the little granules of aloe vera powder. But I really liked it. I was on my way out, so I was super pleased. My hair was looking like soft, and the curls looked so curly and inviting. And yeah, that was it. But later that evening, this is what happened. The humidity got me. So I will say that whilst it was really soft and my hair looked great, it didn't have a great deal of holes. And particularly as I have high porosity hair, it just, yeah, the humidity did a number on me. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out some of my other recent videos whilst you're here. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and tell me if you'd like me to film the wash day using the Revlon Realistic line. But thanks for watching, guys. Until the next time, take care. Bye.